Welcome to AIVoyage. In this video we share effective and natural remedies for common health problems. We're glad you're here, and we can't wait to show you how to take charge of your health with these easy and natural solutions. Are you tired of relying on over-the-counter drugs for every ache and pain? Do you want to learn how to use natural remedies to treat common health problems? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share with you some of the best natural remedies that can help you feel better in no time. First up, we have the all-powerful ginger. This root has been used for centuries to relieve nausea, indigestion, and even muscle pain. Simply steep ginger in hot water and sip it slowly, or add it to your favorite smoothie or tea for a natural pick-me-up. Next, we have a natural remedy for headaches. Peppermint oil is known to provide relief for headaches and migraines. Simply massage a few drops onto your temples, and the cooling effect of peppermint oil will help to ease your headache away. For those who are dealing with a cold or flu, we recommend using steam inhalation. This method can help to clear your nasal passages and ease congestion. Simply fill a bowl with hot water, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, and inhale the steam for a few minutes. Do you often suffer from bloating or digestive discomfort? One natural remedy that can help is chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive system and help to ease bloating and discomfort. Simply steep a few chamomile tea bags in hot water and drink it before or after meals for best results. And for those who have sore muscles or joint pain, we recommend using turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a little bit of water to make a paste, and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You can also add turmeric to your meals for added health benefits. And finally, for those who suffer from stress and anxiety, we recommend practicing yoga. Yoga has been shown to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, find a quiet space and practice some gentle yoga poses to calm your mind and body. We hope you enjoyed learning about these effective and natural remedies for common health problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.